Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT R15, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to your device. And to get started, you want to open up the Contacts app, which is right here. I'll make sure you open up the specifically Contacts app, otherwise you won't have the options. And from here, tap on the three bars and you'll have Settings. And in Settings, when you go down, you will have two options, Import and Export. Now we're interested in the importing contacts, so let's tap on Import and select SIM card. That's where we're importing them from. And here you get a list of contacts that you have here on the SIM card that you can import, and you can select which one you want. For instance, I'm just gonna copy one, and you select to confirm it, and you can see that one SIM contact has been imported, and it should be now on the device. And also you can export contacts. You can either export it to your email, as you can see right here, and using a VCF file, which you can open up basically anywhere, so you can send it and have a physical file as a backup for your contacts if you would like to. Okay, so let's go into the contacts, and you'll see that the contact is right here, and this is the contact that is on the phone now. So that is how you would copy contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.